Check for leaks at the toilet's hydrostatic connections by pressurizing the tank and inspecting every connection point closely. Start by shutting off the water supply and removing the tank lid so you can see inside. Turn the supply back on slowly to fill the tank and watch the water level. A rapid rise combined with dripping at tank bolts or the fill valve indicates a leak. Gently apply a dry paper towel or cloth around each connection, including the fill valve base, flush valve flange, and tank to bowl gasket while the tank is full. Any wetting shows the leak location. For threaded shanks, hand tighten, then add a quarter turn with a wrench while holding the mating piece to avoid twisting the tank or cracking porcelain. If you see seepage around bolt heads or base gaskets, drain the tank, remove the bolt and washer assembly, replace the rubber washers with new ones sized for the model, and hand tighten evenly to avoid deforming the gasket. After reassembly, refill the tank and perform 3 consecutive full flushes while observing connections to confirm the repair under dynamic pressure. Common mistakes include assuming a slow drip is just condensation and not a leak, which you can avoid by using a dry cloth test to localize moisture. People often over-tighten bolts, which cracks porcelain or compresses gaskets, so always tighten evenly and stop when the washer seals snugly. Another frequent issue is not testing after the first flushes. Some leaks only show under the transient pressure of an initial flush, so run multiple full flushes and recheck all seals. If persistent seepage remains, replace the entire tank to bowl gasket assembly rather than repeatedly tightening fasteners. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors matched to specific projects and service needs while offering project planning resources. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where users and pros share tips, ask questions, and discuss real-world fixes.